Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and today's video is another Boxycharm unboxing. This month is March, so I did receive my Luxe box, and so we're going to be going through this ginormous box together. Yes, I have no idea what's in here. It's still sealed, as you can see. But before we get into the box, if you are not already subscribed to the Lady M fam, go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you will become part of the Lady M fam. And also, while you're there, hit that little notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, so let's get into the March Boxycharm BoxyLuxe Box, shall we? Let's go. All right, hello everyone. All right, so got my knife or my little, what you call that, tool here. So I just opened the box. I'm going to sit her right here so we can go through it together. Oh, I tried to clear off my little workspace area. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the little package insert, and this tells you everything that is in the box. It's the lucky box because March was St. Patty's Day, so that's what the box was all about. Lots of greenery. This time I did not get a chance to choose 2 items. I don't know, I wasn't even thinking about it. I just forgot, and then next thing I know that it was already shipped. So let's get into the box. I will also let you guys know what the value of my box is in the description box below. Also, I'll also leave a link, so if you do want to sign up for Boxycharm, there's like 3 options. You have the base box, the Luxe box, and the premium box. So whatever your choices are, you can go ahead and sign up. I do have a link, a referral link down below that you can click on to subscribe, get you some coins for signing up through my referral link. Yes. And then I also have the total amount of the box value somewhere in here. All right, so let's get into the box. This is a full box, guys. Oh, my. Okay, so first thing, let me see what I got. It's the eyeshadow palette, which is on top. And it's B Beauty, so B-E-E Beauty London Barbella eyeshadow palette. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blast of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense, saturated, light reflected shades with gorgeous textures, plus long-lasting and non-creasing silky and velvet finishes. Okay, never heard of this brand before, and this is what the box looks like. Barbella, and that's what the box looks like. Oh, this retails for $50. So if products get into your eyes, rinse well with water immediately. They have glitter eyeshadows, shimmer eyeshadows, and matte eyeshadows. I'm assuming this is a United Kingdom brand. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see what's in here. What does this look like? If I could open up this thing, I cannot slip this thing out. Like, what? Okay, here we go. Oh my God. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, wow. This is a neutral palette, y'all. Let's take a look together. So those are the shades. So you can see it's literally a neutral palette, but wait. Oh my God, I just like touched that on accident. There is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shades in here. And the matte shades are this top color, the blue, oops, the color next to the blue, this dark brown, and then this light color right here. So that's what the palette looks like. It does have a big mirror. Well, not really big, but a mirror with the palette. Wow. Yeah, definitely a neutral palette. Wow, some of these shimmers, like this, wait, this one copper shade right here though? OMG, this copper shade right here. This is definitely a good palette for somebody who is just starting out, because it literally has everything you need. Wow, it's a lot of shimmer shades though. That's nice. I don't think that, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, because I kind of want to like save it and give it away. Maybe for like you know, a gift or something that's coming up, giveaway or something, or I can just give it to somebody that I know that will totally appreciate it. It will be like their first eyeshadow palette. I don't even want to swatch it or anything because I'm probably gonna give it away. So that's nice. All right, so that's the first thing that I grabbed out of the package. The next thing that's on the list, it says Glow Recipe. I'm just gonna sit this over here. The Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. I do have one of these already. So yeah. So this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. And this retails for $42. And Glow Recipe is available at Sephora. So yes, I do have this. I have used it. I love it. So I'm glad that I was able to get another one. Okay, the next thing on here is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I didn't pick no shade. Oh my God. They sent me $4.80. How can you personalize a box without like giving somebody the opportunity to pick their shade? And maybe they did and I just missed out. But $4.80, like, no, I wear $4.20. Yes, so no. And I don't even like this one. I don't like this foundation from Fenty. I prefer the hydrating foundation, the one in the squeezy tube. I just didn't like this at all. I do prefer the other one. So yep, that's a bust. Okay, what else is up in here? So Rose and Quartz hair mask. Okay, I love a hair mask. Never heard of this brand before. So your touchstone of hair products, the Rose and Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs with 0 sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEG, or phthalates. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes. This is vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. So yes, never heard of this brand before. Says Rose Quartz hair mask. I don't know ingredients. Let's see, water. Oh my God, alcohol, cetyl alcohol, cetera alcohol, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Fragrance. Oh yeah. All of those don't really work with my chemical hair. My chemical hair, my curly hair. Oh my God, I can't even open it to see what it smells like. Oh, okay. Finally, but I guess it's sealed, so I won't be able to tell. So yeah, it is sealed, so you can't see what it is. I don't really like trying new stuff in my hair. This hair mask loves deeply, transcend dry damage and breakage to experience soft, silky shine, refresh, and rejuvenate your mind, hair, and spirit with daily to weekly treatments while meditating in aromas of rose water and sweet violet. It's a rinse mask and you rinse out with cool water. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. When I use too many fragrance products in my hair, it does irritate my scalp. So I tend to be very cautious about like hair mask and hair products that I put in my hair. just because my scalp, like, listen, when it starts to act up, it's a wrap. I literally have to go to the dermatologist to be able to get something to calm my scalp down. It's like eczema on my scalp, like psoriasis. It's like, I don't know, but whenever I put stuff on there that has some allergic something, it just doesn't work for me. So I don't know if I'm going to be trying that, just because it has fragrance. And every time I use hair products that has fragrance in it, it always like flares up my scalp. So this is the Soleil Hair Tools. It's a mini heat brush. The Soleil mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-up. It's a powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. Oh, the MSRP for the Fenty foundation is $36. The hair mask is $31. And then this hair tool retails for $150. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. This is not gonna work for me. Oh, it's a little cute little brush. Yeah. And I've never even heard of the brand before. Soleil. I don't know how you say it. Soleil. And I guess this is their other tools that they do have. And they did give a little coupon here for 55% off their products. That's gonna be good till the end of the year. That's nice, but it's not something that I will use. So that's a no for me. Not going to work, y'all. Not. All right, I'm putting this back in the little packaging. And next up on my tool is the Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. And I'm laughing because I think I have 2 of these. Yes, I have 2 of these already. I had one from Black Friday. Last year, I bought one from Beauty Bakery, and then after that, I think Ulta had 40% off, and I got the other ones. So the ones I got from Ulta were the black ones, and then the ones that I've got from Beauty Bakery was the like nude ones. I thought I had one. Yeah, it's the nude ones, and this is what they look like. Yeah, so I do have like 2. So yeah, definitely something that I probably can give away because I don't need like 3 boxes or anything like that. So yeah. And that retails for $18. Get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hands for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinary caking that's too hard to beat. I love Beauty Bakery. That's so cute. Yeah. So that's the Beauty Bakery. And then I have a lip liner in here from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. Define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom. And I'm pretty sure this color is like light as hell and it's not gonna work for me. Definitely not. I could probably use it as a whole lip color. Yeah. I mean, I can use it as a lip color because the lip color is pretty. It's like a nice mauve pink or something. So yeah, definitely can use that. I am so disappointed with my box. For it to have so much makeup products in here without taking into consideration like what the heck someone's skin tone is, like, is not cool. Yeah. And then the last product I have in here, the lip liner from Dominique Cosmetics retails for $18. And then the last thing I have in here is a lip plumper. It's the, I don't know how to say this, AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. There's 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars. Lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a little tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. And this retails for $42. I just laugh because some of these brands you never hear of and their products are like so expensive. Anywho, guys, that completes my complete box. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, and probably 2 out of 8 I probably like. I definitely, well, maybe 3, because the blending eggs by Beauty Baker is pretty neat. I do use those. And this serum from Glow Recipe is bomb as well. I do like that. And then, I mean, the lip liner, it's not going to go to waste because it is a color that I can use, and I would just use it as like a lipstick, you know, use it all over and then put some gloss on top or something. But this hair tool, it's a no for me. This dark ass Fenty shade is a no for me. And the palette was pretty nice. I do like, it literally has every color that you would need, you know, to be able to travel. Well, it's kind of big to travel with, but to use every day, to use as your, you know, if you're just starting out, this will be like a really neat palette for you to have and for you to use. So yeah, I got like maybe 3 out of the 9 things that, you know, so yeah, not really enjoying my box. This was a definite miss for me. All right, guys, that completes my unboxing in today's Boxycharm video. Do you subscribe? Did you get any of the same things that I did in your box? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining in for my Boxycharm Luxe Box unboxing. And I'll be sure to link in the cards last month's box. And I have like a whole playlist of like all my little Boxycharm boxes that I've gotten so far. So go ahead and like click that. Go ahead and catch up on some of those previous boxes. If you're not already subscribed, you made it all the way here. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Why not? And hit that notification bell. That way you'll also know whenever I post new videos. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining in today. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.